Të nderuar nxënës, ju përshëndes dhe mirë se ju gjeta në video leksionin e radhës të përgatitur për nxënësit e klasëve të teta. Ne të gjithë e dim se të mësosh një gjuhë të huaj është pasuri, pasi që gjuha i bashkon njerëzit, dhe për këtë arsye një ndër qëllimet mësimore është të mësojmë për rëndësinë e gjuhës angleze si gjuhë botrore, si dhe arsyet pse kjo gjuhë është kaq e veçantë. Gjithashtu në anën tjetër duke pasur parasysh se kur mësojmë një gjuhë të huaj, deshëm apo s'deshëm, ne gjithashtu mësojmë edhe për kulturën e njerëzve që jetojnë në atë vend, pra nga kjo del se qëllimi kryesor i kësaj video ligjërate do të jetë që të njoftohemi me vendet më të rëndësishme ku gjuha angleze është gjuhë amtare ose gjuhë zyrtare. Pra fokusi kryesor i kësaj video ligjërate do të jetë të fitojmë njohuri apo informacione të reja për vende si Britania e Madhe, Shtetet e Bashkuara të Amerikës, Zelanda e Re, Australia e kështu me radhë. Hello everyone, so the main objective of this lesson will be learning about the importance of the English language, as well as we are going to learn or read some interesting facts about the English language. And of course, the main objective of this lesson will be getting familiar with some of the most prominent countries in which English language is a native language or an official language. So let us get it started. The question is, how much do you know about English-speaking countries? Let us read some interesting facts about the English language. So, did you know that a quarter of all the people on earth speak English? That is 1.5 billion people. About 450 million people speak English as a first language in countries like Britain, the USA, Australia, New Zealand, etc. About 375 million people across the world use English as a second language. They learn English as a second language because they live in an English-speaking country. English is also the main language in international business, in science and technology, in sport, music, and the internet. At the moment, about 1 billion people are learning English as a foreign language, just like you, so you are not alone. Now let us read about Great Britain. England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland are all a part of Great Britain. The nationalities are English, Welsh, Northern Irish, and British. The population of Great Britain is 61 million. The biggest city in Great Britain is London. It is also the capital city of England. Edinburgh is the capital city of Scotland, Cardiff is the capital city of Wales, and Belfast is the capital city of Northern Ireland. Some of the most famous places in Great Britain are the Buckingham Palace, the Big Ben, the Tower Bridge, the London Eye, Stonehenge, and many other famous places which are not mentioned here. Let us go to the next country, that is Canada. Canada is almost the biggest country in the world. Canada's capital city is Ottawa, but Toronto is their largest city. They speak English and French. The population of Canada is around 35 million people, and Canada is famous for its beautiful hills, lakes, and mountains, which could be found there in a great mass. The next country is New Zealand. People from New Zealand are called New Zealanders. The capital city of New Zealand is Wellington. The largest city in New Zealand is Auckland. They have lots of national holidays, just like North Macedonia. Their flag is red, white, and blue, and it has 4 stars. New Zealand's flag is very similar to Australia's flag. New Zealand has 2 big islands. The capital is on the South Island. The next country is the USA. People in the USA are called Americans. It is also known as the US or America. Washington, D.C. is the capital city of the USA, but New York is the biggest city. The population of the USA is about 329 million people. Americans are also native English speakers. There are 51 states in the USA, and the famous places in the USA are Hollywood in Los Angeles, the Grand Canyon National Park, the Statue of Liberty, Times Square in New York, the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, Disney World, and many other places which are not mentioned in here. And the next country is Australia, which is also a continent. People in Australia are called Australians. Australia has the 6th largest area in the world. The capital city of Australia is Canberra. Even though Australia is a very big country, the population of Australia is only about 26 million people. The official language is English, and there are lots of deserts in Australia, and there are lots of interesting animals and plants that are there too, such as koalas, kangaroos, and dingoes. And finally, there are some more information regarding the English-speaking countries. English also is official in Ireland, Singapore, India, many Pacific islands such as Fiji, Tonga, or Samoa. Less well-known English-speaking countries include Zimbabwe and Jamaica. All in all, there are about 70 countries in which use English as an official language. Many of these countries have more than one official language. All of the countries above speak English, slightly different varieties of English, such as Australian English, American English, and British English. And finally, there is a task for you in which you will have to read the following statements, and you will have to search the net and find out the information that you're asked for. For example, the first one is the first one says native Australians. You will have to find out who are the native Australians or how are they called. The second one, where the British Queen lives in London. You are asked to find out the name of the compound where the British Queen lives, the most popular soft drink in the USA, the capital of Ireland, etc., etc. So guys, I thank you very much for attending this lesson, virtually of course, and I hope that we will have the chance to meet again. So have a nice day and see you very soon, or see you next time. Goodbye.